In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your QuickBooks company file in just 5 minutes. Whether you're running a small business or managing accounts for a larger operation, ensuring that your data is securely backed up is crucial to safeguard against any potential loss. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to make sure your financial data is securely exported and stored. First things first, navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you've arrived at the home page, look towards the top right corner. There you'll find the Sign In button. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and type in your registered email and password. If you have two-step verification set up, you'll need to choose your preferred method to confirm your identity. This might include receiving a text message or an email, depending on your security settings. Upon successful login, direct your attention again to the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Click on it to unveil a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Export Data option. This will lead you to a new page where you can determine what sections of your data you'd like to back up. On the Export Data page, you'll see a series of toggles representing different segments of your QuickBooks data, such as financial statements, customer lists, and more. Carefully review each option and toggle the ones you wish to back up. This customization feature allows you to export only the data that is crucial, helping you manage storage more efficiently if needed. Once you've configured which data you want to save, focus your attention on the Export button, which is to export your data to Excel format. Click on it, and QuickBooks will work its magic in compiling and packaging your selected data fields into neatly organized Excel files. This format is particularly handy for reviewing, storing, or sharing your financial data with accountants or stakeholders who may not have access to QuickBooks. After you finish exporting, it's advisable to save the Excel file in a secure location, whether on your computer's hard drive or an encrypted cloud storage service. Regular backups are a good habit to develop, ensuring that your financial data is always protected and easily recoverable in case of unforeseen circumstances. With these steps, you now know how to back up your QuickBooks company file efficiently. Regularly performing these backups will give you peace of mind, knowing that your valuable financial information is secure and easily accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.